Okay, what you want to do is lightly bend these out. They come like this. You want to easily move them out like that. And I use these things called helping hands. I highly recommend them. Let me turn it. That way you can kind of see it. I'm doing this thing through the phone, so it's kind of weird. And let me start up my soldering iron. Alright, you don't want to put very much heat on this. Use the edge of the iron to tin it, just like that. And this is just bare copper wire, but obviously you can use any wire. And barely tin that. And you got plenty of solder on the actual iron at this point. These are only like $9, these helping hands. I would go ahead and order one if I were you. It's gonna make this a whole lot easier. Line up, perfectly line up your wire to your switch. Make sure you got plenty of solder on there. You can see how quick this, boom, done. Do the same thing to the other side, obviously. You got a great connection. It's not coming off. It's not going anywhere. The reason why you want to put just a little bit of heat on this is because you can melt this plastic. But these switches work beautifully. You can see they're just on off. You can see how small they are compared to, you know, my hands. I don't have gigantic hands or anything. And then you can use super glue on the back and just mount it wherever you want, underneath the van or something like that. So, nice and easy.